If you want to know how to mask in Lightroom Classic, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how Lightroom's masking tools work in 2026, how to use the AI selections, and how to refine them so you can make precise edits in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials. First, open Lightroom Classic and go to the Develop module. You can do that by pressing D on your keyboard. Once you're in Develop, look just above the Basic panel for the masking icon, which looks like a circle with a dashed border. Click that to open the masking panel. You can also use the shortcut Shift+W, which is the fastest way to get there. Now, Lightroom gives you several smart masking options. The biggest change in Lightroom Classic 2026 is that masking is much more AI-driven, so you do not need to paint everything manually. If you want to isolate a person, animal, or object, choose Select Subject. Lightroom will analyze the photo and create a mask automatically. If your photo has a dramatic sky, choose Select Sky. This is great for darkening the sky, adding contrast, or changing the color without affecting the rest of the image. If you want to edit everything except the main subject, use Select Background. This is useful for making the subject stand out by softening or darkening the area around them. If your image contains people, Lightroom's Select People option can detect each person individually. You can then click a person and refine specific areas, like skin, eyes, teeth, hair, or clothing. And if you need to target a specific item or object, use Select Objects. Just roughly brush over the object, and Lightroom will snap the mask to the edges for you. After you create your mask, don't worry if it is not perfect right away. That is completely normal. On the right side of the Masks panel, you can refine the selection using Add and Subtract. If Lightroom missed part of your subject, click Add and use a brush to include the missing area. If the mask is covering too much, click Subtract and remove the extra parts with a brush or a linear gradient. This is where you clean things up and make the mask look natural. There is also a powerful option called Intersect. This lets you combine two mask types for more precise control. For example, you could select the sky and then intersect it with a linear gradient, so only the top part of the sky is affected. That is especially useful for creating more realistic edits and smoother transitions. Once your mask is ready, the selected area will show as a red overlay by default. Now you can use the adjustment sliders on the right to edit only that part of the image. If you want to brighten or darken the selection, adjust exposure. If you want to recover detail in highlights or shadows, use the Highlights and Shadows sliders. For color correction, use Temp and Tint to warm up skin tones or remove unwanted color casts. And if you want extra detail, try Sharpness and Noise Reduction to improve the subject without changing the entire photo. A good tip is to make small adjustments first and zoom in if needed. Masking works best when the edit looks subtle and natural. You do not want the viewer to notice the mask itself, only the improved photo. So focus on making the subject pop while keeping the image realistic. And that is how to mask in Lightroom Classic using the new AI tools. Once you understand the basics, it becomes one of the fastest ways to edit photos with precision. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Lightroom Classic tips and editing workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.